And here's the bride's mother. Doesn't she look beautiful in her beautiful blue dress? She did a great job putting this wedding together with her daughter and my grandson. Oh my gosh, this was one of the most beautiful weddings I've been to in a long time, and a wonderful group of friends that showed up for this wonderful occasion. I am so blessed to have such a wonderful family, and I hope you guys all enjoy this little recap of who showed up for this wedding. My daughter, her husband, my grandchildren, and family from Northern California. It was a big celebration. And as you can see, the grandchildren brought their children. So I had quite a few of my great-grandchildren at this wedding. They were so well behaved, I couldn't believe it. Didn't have to get upset with one of them. They just had an awesome good time with the family, and everyone chipped in to help with the small children. And it was a wonderful, wonderful celebration. Thank you all for coming by, and hope you all enjoy what we've shared about this wedding. It was just a breathtakingly beautiful wedding with so many awesome friends here to enjoy it with us. Oh my, my. And I can't stress enough how much the bride's mother helped doing so much. And the bride and her court of helpers did all the beautiful decorations for this wedding too. Oh my gosh, everyone was a family affair. Everyone was so much fun. Everything was just great. I am so glad that you're all here. Look at my grandson and his wife. Aren't they the prettiest, cutest couple you've ever seen? And you see my daughter in the background and her husband. Oh yeah, the family was here. We had an awesome good time, goofing off and spending time together. We love being together, and it meant so much to me to be able to spend so much time with my family. Here's my youngest granddaughter, Lily, and her boyfriend. Don't they make the cutest couple? Oh yeah, he is the sweetest kid you've ever met. He is already planning his future, going to school to be a mechanic. He is going to do great. And here's my daughter and her husband. Don't they look pretty together? And then my grandson right next to him with a little plaid shirt. My daughter and her husband make such a cute couple, don't they? Don't you think so? And there's another one of my grandchildren right there poking behind, and another daughter-in-law. Isn't she pretty too? Oh my, I am so blessed to have so much family, and we are just blessed. And there's another grandson just poking through right next to my daughter-in-law. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh, I have such a wonderful, wonderful family. And here is Alyssa and her newest great-grandbaby, and this is Jackson. Jackson isn't very old yet, but I'm sure by the next birthday or the next wedding, he'll be walking around. He's growing by leaps and bounds. He's such a handsome little boy, isn't he? And here's my daughter-in-law and my youngest son. Boy, you think he's a mountain man, don't you? And here's another one of my granddaughters and her boyfriend. Oh my, they showed up for this wedding, and they are both such sweet, sweet people, and always full of help. And here there's some little great grandbabies. Look at them. Aren't they cute? And they just love each other to pieces. Oh, they had so much fun at the wedding, dancing and playing around. They just had a ball. I couldn't tell you how well behaved, how sweet all of these great grandbabies were. They were just as good as gold. It always makes me proud to see how pretty and good the girls are. And the boys were good too, because you know I had a lot of grandchildren there and great-grandchildren. Here's another one of my great-grandsons and his mother and father. And this is Alyssa's twin sister, Cynthia. Oh, there she is. She's smiling at us now. Oh my, aren't they a wonderful couple? And look at that little boy. He got his first little boy haircut, and he's growing up so fast. And here's my youngest son again with his wife and his youngest grandchild, Mr. Jackson. Oh my gosh, don't they make a nice family? We had just had so much fun. Everyone just passed those babies around, and so they never had to worry about them at all. And I got a kiss from my son. And here's Lily and her boyfriend again and her mom. And in the background you see the bride's mother. And here is the mother of Ricky. Well, we had a wonderful time, and as you can see, everybody had a wonderful time. It was beautiful wedding, so well put together, and I'm so glad you stopped by to meet the family. We have a very, very big family, as you can tell. And here is my two older children, Debbie and Mike. Don't they look good together? Oh my gosh. I am so blessed to have such a wonderful family and so many wonderful children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren. And everybody had an awesome good time. Love you all. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you're enjoying the wedding. So glad you got to come and enjoy it with us. Here's my oldest son kissing his brother-in-law. Look at them teasing each other. They had so much fun together. I am so blessed. Like I keep saying, family means everything to me. Don't forget that. Family is very important.